Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel Rebox. Today we are going to unbox a Samsung mobile, Samsung Android smartphone F22. Okay, I bought it from Flipkart. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay. Hey guys, this is the first mobile unboxing video. Okay, so please do click the like button, subscribe, please support this channel. Hey guys, this is okay, and ignore the mistakes. I hope you all do it actually. F22 Samsung Galaxy. Hey guys, let's unbox this actually. Okay, Samsung Galaxy F22. Okay. Hey guys, so let's see what's in the box. So this is the manual, and it's got the pin ejector, SIM ejector pin. Okay, and then this is the phone. Okay, so let's keep this aside, keep this aside, and we'll see what's in the box. So this is charger, so 18 watts charger, type C cable, that's it, nothing else. Okay, so let's keep aside. So guys, let's check the phone. So we'll remove the sticker and check it how the phone is. Okay, so guys, this is the phone, and this is the denim black, so it looks little bluish black. Okay, phone. So let's remove this sticker. So it has got a very matte finish on the black. Okay, let's see all the other features. Okay, so guys, this is a camera, front camera, and on the top actually you have microphone, and the bottom we have 3.5 mm jack, and a type C cable port, charging port, and one speaker. On the left actually you have a SIM card tray. Okay, so you have a dedicated SIM card, two dual SIM is there, and one dedicated SD card is there, SD card slot is there. As you can see that so one dedicated SD card slot and two SIM card slot, actually dual SIM. Okay guys, let's talk about the display, the screen size and other things. So screen size, as it is given there in the display, is 6.4 inches, HD Super AMOLED, 90 watts refresh rate, and 600 nits brightness is there. And talk about the OS, Android 11 is there, one UI Core 4.1 is there processor. So those are the testing the processor speed and all. So let's open the application and test it. Okay, so let's see. So camera, so applications are opening much faster, and there is two variant is there, 4GB 64 and 6GB 128GB variant is there. Okay, so let's open the application, and it's quite good actually. And let's test the gaming. Okay, the processor is MediaTek Helio. Okay, so it's very good actually. So let's try the gaming.
Double kill.
Now let's check the multimedia. 4K viewing angle, and this is the 4K video is there. I just try to open in the YouTube actually, so you can see. And this is the Dubai. So the 4K video is there. So multimedia viewing experience is okay, good actually. And let's test the audio one. So guys, audio quality is very loud and very clear. It's very good quality. So very decent quality. So okay guys, let's test the sensor actually. Fingerprint sensor I'm testing. You can see that it's quite fast. So and you will see the face recognition sensors. It's quite fast face also. And let's test the camera. The main camera is 48 megapixel, ultra wide is 8 megapixel, and macro camera is 2 megapixel, depth camera is 2 megapixel. Okay, and these are the camera sample photos actually. You can see that so this is micro shot actually, and product and portrait shot, all these things. So guys, this is the video test actually. I just took it from the terrace actually. I try to zoom a building. As you can see that it is going up to 8 to 9x zoom is there. Hey guys, this is another sample video of the video testing, the zoom testing, everything. Okay, you can see that I try to zoom the max. This is the mobile tower. So camera is good, quite good actually. Okay. So guys, these are the wide angle shots. I try to take it the sky, clouds, sky, and buildings. So how does it look? So overall, I can say it's very good, the phone. So and it's very budget phone. This price is very good. I bought it from Flipkart for almost 11,000 rupees. So you can see some close-up shots of fruits. So guys, so it's overall I can say the final verdict for this phone is very big thumbs up. And for this budget 11,000 rupees, I bought it with 2 years warranty. I added one extended warranty also, 149. So guys, that's it. I hope I have covered all the information I want to give. So anything left you can always comment, and please do like and subscribe this channel, support this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.